Class dismissed. Good evening, Zero Brothers. There are also new toys. The Fisty DC is a mini Fisty DC with a straight head tilt. Look at the accessories with their brand name, a small bag. Everyone has probably seen this promotional product before. If you haven't seen it, the biggest feature of this stick striking stick is that the beads fall out, can be equipped with this lock. Let's take a look first. Wow, so beautiful. Not bad. I'll try it out later when I join the team. Actually, I also bought a new team lock at the same time, but it hasn't arrived yet. I can only try using the team locks from my other Beyblades.